So you go to the emergency call, click on the emergency information. Click on the edit. You may add a contact. You choose any. I choose call center. Then you tap on the call center. So the new updated versions. Click on 3 dots. You share. You share as a text using Gmail. You must have first added a Microsoft account. Open feedback. Tap to go to application settings. You choose Chrome. This is the easiest way that you can use to bypass the FRP file firmware BD. FRP file firmware BD. The first option here is set a screen lock. You set a screen lock, you set a pattern, set an easy pattern, L, confirm. Just set anything. Skip. And then go back. The first part. So you set everything, you start. Don't copy. The same pattern that you set, just draw it out. It was an L. You skip. You'll have to enter the pattern again. Let's wait for the option. Here it is. L. You skip everything. You agree. Choose your country here. It's Kenya. Yeah, and you are done. You go to settings. You have to check the model of your device. It's itel A35. itel A35.